welcome or welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the temporary lodging facility here at Misawa Air Base. When you first walk in, you come into a little hallway full of closets with a tall window that has a view of the patio. The two closets are pretty spacious. One has these shelves, one has a little rod that you can hang your coats on, and this one has the broom and dustpan in it. Then the closet closest to the door isn't really a closet, it is home to the lighting panel board. We are staying in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Not all units have the updated flooring. Some still have tile and carpet, so keep that in mind. There are also basic hotel rooms, so I've heard, as well as 1-bed, 1-bath suites, which is what we stayed in when we first arrived in Misawa 4 years ago. The temporary lodging facility also doesn't have air conditioning, but they do provide fans in the unit, so that's a plus. When you stay here, there are housekeeping services available. They will come in daily to make your bed, clean your floors, bring you new towels, take out your garbage, etc. We have only been having the housekeepers take out the garbage about every other day since the garbage is rather tiny. But other than that, we haven't used their services, so I'm not able to give you reviews of their work. Right next to the hallway, there is an entrance to the kitchen, which is stocked full of dishes, pots and pans, silverware, etc. From the kitchen, you can look into the dining area and the living room. There is a 4-person table, a desk area, as well as the couch, chair, and coffee table. The TV is small, but it has basic cable. Off of the living space is the patio, which is bigger than our apartment patio was, so that's a plus. The view we have from the 4th floor is a bit of the parking lot and this little loading zone. We are right in front of the giant voice system, so when the national anthem plays every day at 5 p.m., you get the loudest show. As we continue on, there's a cute little area. I want to call this a little hallway, but it's definitely not. There's a basic bathroom. The tub actually appears to be insulated. The water stays warm really long. And then you have your toilet and your vanity. If you are short, I just want you to know that you probably won't be able to see in the mirror because I can't and I'm not quite 5 foot. So I wish you luck with that. Next to the bathroom is a bedroom with a queen-size bed, nightstands, dresser, a TV, and another patio. When you walk out of here, you can see the little closet in this little hallway area for linens. When you turn, there's a laundry room with decent appliances. The last room is a bedroom with 2 twin-sized beds, a small dresser, and a nightstand. So that's it for this little apartment tour. I hope you found this helpful if you're on your way to Misawa Air Base. If you're not, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you for spending some time with me today, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!